Alright, so go through the paper. So you are required to find N, the number of moles of water of crystallization in the salt copper sulfate. NH2O, Fa1, Fa2, Fa3 Then using a burette, place 22 to 24 cubic centimeters of Fa1 in a 250 cubic centimeter graduated flask. It's like, I think to be fast, you don't get directly into this. And so 20. Yesterday we took 23, so we have to go back to 24. That is 24. So as I get closer, I want to be sure. Kapurira kudangitsa. Namoda mchana. So that means I have 23 cubic centimeters of what? Of my Fa1 copper sulfate into this. And then dilute, so we fill with distilled water up to the mark. You also have to be careful. Heat distilled area. Is this distilled? Yeah, baby. So my distilled water up to the mark. Up, you have to be careful. You have to, because which is in 251 is something else. So you also add, you are also removing some So expect some changes to what you add into the original cleaning. That which I say, it's okay. It's great. If you know, but how do you know? Because I'm amusement. It's not skill. So it's okay. Because an instrument I state what to use specifically what to dilute. So you can use whatever you want. So I have to repeat. Right? Can you do that? Yes, it is. Because it once, guys. So why not just do it properly? It's once of. So this time 24 to, if I say 24 plus 23, 40 what? 47. So my target is 47. Just do it this stage at least in which as a problem. Uzoshaisha ume. But ukatanga compromise uchitotanga because this is the first step. And ndakanganisi ndanata let me just proceed. I think it's not wise. Uvongo proceed. A lot of people would proceed. 3047. It happens. Unokwanisa kuti ndadarikidza. Ibaba ndikatodarikidza. Ndodarikidza. Tododarikidza. Naso akatomubatawo. Ndizokere mukati. Ndikuona ngevidhiyo ndeyakundiri.
Sama kutenga kutora.
Ndangodzorera ndoita sei.
So hizi ndio tenzoro.
Ai. Tupira tenzoro. Aiwa ndoiedita. Ndobvisa kuti vandoita mistakes. Paichazoenda iko. Saka ndondivemaya. Is out. If you award yourself 10 minutes to make mistakes and it's one at a timer, also 10 minutes. Saka nozona kuti zamutizendo mutombo darikira. Saka iwo ukazviita kuti unofana kuva nehanakati. Uzi mamafiyezi anobva pangoti ndakanasa nguva yatopera apo uchangotanga. If you time yourself pamwe it's just 5 minutes wakati but wakupanika saka
inoafekta chii hapana
chii pakuti
inoniwa here
usano chinjesi chemulero wega chanzi chiri clean kana kuti usano. Right, so I want how much? 23, and is it? 23 iyo na yo kayabu. And it's the same. It's the same. Umrochwati inenyawanisa. It's good to be accurate. Right, saka plus 23 not touch 6 plus 23 29. My target is this time the data should pass it.
What was the 22.980?
Ingozviwa mapoint 9 achingwaiona tatichitene 29 29 ndizvo saurona kafirst pattern kakatoiswa kuti kanokufrustrata ikaka kana usi patient wakutoona kunge uri kukanganisa kana uri kutadza ndizvo. This time we do that in English. Am I not there? How many scars? So let's agree this is 20. This is the volume that we are looking for. So we are now on adding these two dots and but when you from our wash bottle, make sure at least put that we have no control. Can I no pay and like melody was saying, let's suppose decline the church of these two dots. Let's suppose I do this instead of even for to you can use that, and hey, I'm not going to use that. I'm about to clean a funnel. Because we so go, I can be fast. Cash car. You turn around is a drop wire, isn't it? So don't be afraid to improvise. Then when I just have a funnel, I guys look on my list. I got to go see as I have a funnel for the so kapatika kamurono katori frustrating enough to offset you kumbaza anditi so zvinhu kangozwa kungozikanwa nzaya apo kuzomeasure 23 chete wodilute but unokwanisa kutofrustrate ukatenga kungoti uri doko yet hausi but saka ndakusvika apa ndoshandisa hangu up and it is today. I think right. Petrol barrage. Just at the place they do scapamanga. So we are allowed to do that in the exam. Because all we want to do is fill to the mark. So when the food was usually represented by the so we have to drop wise, and put it up. Put it as a moon, put it with that. Just get a mark aside. But I drop one. It's really nice to see my work on the side. That was a trait. This one. You got to do the name to shake. Right, so you now have your diluted FA1. FA1. So result in the paper here FA4. Yes. So you label this FA4. So pass on the pipette 25 and you're supposed to up to 2 dp. Tatanga related to back. But 6. So you're supposed to do that. And 6,00 cubic centimeters to 29,00. And then you guys subtract what's the difference? So we took 23 of FA1. We diluted it. So about the pipette, my thing is pipette, I hope it's working properly. Why? Just visit you. Let's go to Martini. Just FA3. So I have an this. Can I make this and it? Alright. So is this clear? So pipette 25 cubic centimeters of FA4. Look at FA4. The pipette is going no frustrated. But why? I don't do that. Now we're not market. No, don't worry about that. These instruments are not perfect. That's not market. This way. Not this. That's what I look on that. Still like trust me, those amounts are too small. What's the news of frustrated? Come on, you can't go full of the child. But I put up a tank of paper, full of but if it's a matter of drops, please proceed. And remember, this is your first titration. So the second one you can try to do. But imagine you still have a mistake of what? Yeah, it's a picture and not to pour as so at least with this one. Right, so where are we? We have our 25 cubic centimeters of FA4 and we're supposed to add 15 cubic centimeters of FA2. You have to create this is 15 cubic centimeters. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's clean. Quickly. 15 cubic centimeters. My instruments are as accurate from the burette ratio. My beakers, my test tube, yes. So if it drops, you can get out of it. It's 15 cubic centimeters off. So nezuro in terms of theory, stage E and because there is a reaction that is going to take place. It's owned in Right. Per stage E, I need to emphasize. Do permit reaction and the page 2. Do permit reaction because I'm putting potassium iodide and I have copper sulfate. So do permit reaction Cu2 plus 4I. So kapal produce copper 1 iodide. And then iodine gas. Copper 1 iodide, it's a white precipitate. It's a white what? Iodine, what is the color of iodine? Brown, if you know. So, China is a mixture of a brown color and some white precipitate. So that is what we are supposed to see. We go over check out chai. And it. Mune white precipitate, but mune brown color iodine produce. So titration. So we are now supposed to titrate with. We are now supposed to titrate with sodium thiosulfate. Thiosulfate, where does it say? Which are reactant and it. So we do particular reaction to it. So as it reacts with the iodine, which color is going to disappear? The brown color is going to fade. So the first part you do that titrate the iodine liberated here in the brown color with Fa3. Where's Fa3? So let's say Fa3 Fa3 until the color of the solution fades to a paley yellow color. Pale yellow. Easy. So I know direct it is called the instruction doesn't end. Instruction, variety after wash cup of period, then also eat. What is all that? You need to have a bit of theory, actually. Unfortunately, you will make me sure because it was here. So I'm going to I'm professional. So why are you afraid? Mark 3 and then in remove it. I'm going to drop a you're a bit below 3 is that right. So in the FA what? This is my FA3 and this is that. So the instruction titrate the iodine liberated with Fa3 until the color of the solution fades to a pale yellowish color. So I'm going to titration. Take note that I'm going to 3 cubic centimeters. 3,00 cubic centimeters. So I'm now titrating. Is this pale yellow? The colors are behaving a little bit different than yesterday. I hope I'm going to change the contaminant. Second, let's say this is your first one, right? Let's say you say this is pure yellow. And it what I do yellow so then add about 1 cubic centimeters or 3 drops of starch in it. Where is starch? Pure yellow. It's not that important because in theory, what we are simply trying to do is remove the iron. Okay. Let's say it was pure yellow, but what are we trying to do? remove iodine. And so did you know that even if we didn't add a starch at this level, if we kept on going, eventually inoperates eventually. But atizozivi manje where to stop. Nogona ndiyapera ichoramba chizi. Saka the addition of starch ichachinja color yechinji, and because starch inoreacta neiodine. Chobva yaita chiblue color chacho. Chakuprovide a better guide. Kuti tikaona chiblue chapera, taigona procedure chingoramba chese kusvika tasvika, but now ndoyarinova. So 3 drops only. 1, 2, 3. So ndaisa 3 drops are. There's a new color.
Yes.
There's a new color. So I'm now guided by this. What sort of a color is this? Asichi dark blue black church boneka. Saka kusika color iyi yese yapera. Ndapedza digestion. So after that, the blue black color of the starch iodine complex just disappear. So titrate slowly until color disappear. Yeah, so then we end up living in what? Off-white solution. So let's say you did knocked off-white not away, but at least you knocked white not away. And then, so I'm going to the white color, towards the white color. My solutions are that into CI. My solutions are that into CI. So this is our first one. Let's proceed. Isaac, let's proceed. This time we're going to slow. And I'm just going to feel that it's fine. Then we stop. Yes. And we can even check with this tire. Remove. Yes, you're going to white. No, it's white. Not so much. At this stage, you know what is here.